Welcome to my channel, Painting, Art Journaling and Creative Inspiration. So let's create together. And welcome back. So glad you joined me today on my table. It is all about those vintage floral die cuts, those glossy things from back in the time. I wanted to use of them and decided I'm gonna do a little bit of a still life, you can call it, with sort of a table, background, and the vase I made from one of my handmade papers, which I made like 3 years ago. Still have tons of them. Yeah, I'm still in the mood of using up what I have. So that's what I had in my drawer with vintage stuff, and that was in my drawer with handmade, my own made papers, whether they are painted papers or like this handmade papers from, those scraps where you tear it in pieces and soak it and make fibers out it to make new papers. This one actually has also, because I do those things in the summer, they also have some petals from roses and marigolds and whatever I have in my garden at that time. So yeah, so it was a pretty quick page again. I did just add some color, and I don't know whether you can see it. There is, it's the telephone book I have used. And do you see this little outlined with black grüne Nummer, which means green numbers? No idea actually what it meant in the telephone book, in the old telephone book, but I thought it fits the theme. So that's why I used for the background and for the table a lot of green. And I also did use again one of my hand-printed, not hand-printed, on computer printed quotes. This is actually a quote by Rainer Maria Rilke. "The earth is like a child who knows poems," which I think it's a nice quote. Now, as always, it is a time lapse. But if there are any questions, leave them down below in the comments. And if you want to give me a nice comment, hit the subscribe button or give me a thumbs up. It is always appreciated. Now take care. Till next time. Bye.